My three favourite things about teaching are, number one, every day is different. That's the nature of working with younger people, young children, is that they've always got new questions to ask you, new stories to tell you, new ways to surprise you, and you don't know what any day is going to hold. The day moves really quickly, you're never clock watching, so it's a really fast-paced and varied job. Number two, seeing the development of the children. It's really nice to have a pupil come into year 7 in my subject, Spanish, without any Spanish at all, and then seeing them want to opt for your subject at GCSE or maybe beyond, and enjoying trying to use the language themselves, and knowing you've had a part in that is really rewarding. And number 3, it's that you learn as well at the same time as teaching. In a school like this, we've got over 40 different languages, so I absolutely love it when the pupils can draw links between their own languages and the ones we're teaching. They teach me new vocabulary and also about their backgrounds and cultures that, you know, I've never come into contact with. So it's actually taught me a lot more about my local area as well, my local community. So that sense of learning as well is why teaching is a great job.